In today's video, we want to talk about how powerful the three touches, that is the three touches in the trend line, are. So stick around, guys. I'm not going to waste your time. So let me just get started and maybe show you something right here. And I'm looking at Euro card, and as usual, I'm at the H4. So one thing, like I say, guys, you need to make sure that you have at least your touches from the immediate to high or the immediate to low. So let's just do this 1, 2. So price, of course, just gave us the third touch right there. So now remember, we are looking for buys. Since we know that price is in an uptrend. So why do I say that price is in an uptrend? Remember, price was giving us a higher low, higher low. Now we are currently looking at this level right here. So that means price is in a downtrend, but we are looking for buy. So for us to take a buy position, we make sure that price has already taken out this downtrend. Okay, now the way we did analyze our uptrend, that's how we're going to analyze this downtrend. Now, of course, looking for three touches. So the immediate, so we will do this, maybe this level right there and right here. So let's go to the H1 and try to see how price will maybe react around that level, and if we get a break, we might execute. So let's see. So that was an impulse break. Okay, so since we have an impulse, we expect price to give us type of a correction, and from that, if we get a reversal structure, that is when we execute. So for now, we see, okay, price did that, boom. So as we can see right here, there was news, I believe so. So we need to evolve, you understand? So let's go to the H4 once again and evolve. Then now maybe do something like this. Okay, so let's see. All right, okay, so right now already price has given us a reversal structure, which is a double bottom. Okay, first bottom and the second bottom. Okay, now if we have that, of course, we need to identify this as the neckline. And remember, we still have this trend line over us. So what we expect is price to do this, hit this, maybe come back and maybe break. And if that doesn't happen, of course, we anticipate price might just break right there, come back, then give us a reversal. That is where we execute. So it's a two-way traffic. So let's see what the market did. First thing, let's go back to the H1 and see how the markets played out. All right. So I'll remove this. All right. Okay, so now I believe I'm seeing a reversal, kind of a reversal structure, guys. So let's just hit the 15. Okay, something like this. So what if this is a neckline, and of course this is an inverse head and shoulder, something like this? No, this is the head. Now price is giving us the right shoulder. You know, you never know. So let's see if it takes out that high, then it's confirmed that we might take our buy entry position, of course, and see how it plays out. You understand? Okay, so let's see a break above. We should take a buy and see, maybe, you know, just a minute. Of course, if we cut the head right here, you know, mostly I believe most people do make their stop loss below the right shoulder, but you know, this is the market. You know, these guys are so smart. You know, they might just, you know, they know that your stop loss are below, so they might target your stop loss. That is when it reverses. So I do advise, guys, that to be on a safer side, maybe we might consider having our stop loss below the head right there, and now of course target maybe right here. Let's see. Let's see. Of course, we had a break, yeah, and that was hit. So that's amazing, you know. So we risked 80 pips and went for 100, you know. So probably 1 to 1.5, you understand. So that was a very good trade. Let's see what the market did. Let's just continue following along and see how the market played out, you know. All right, so those are just continuation pattern for you to scale in. So let's see at the 15 what was happening. Okay, so now at the 15, if we had this type of a play, of course. Now we had another reversal. This is an inverse head and shoulder. I believe you guys can see this clearly. Left shoulder, this is the head, right shoulder, and of course we had a neckline. So right here, of course. So let me see. Before that break, of course, let me see if we had an hour candle break. Okay, so yeah, I could have taken that buy position right there, and like I said before, to be on a safer side, make my stop below the head, and you know, continue riding this joint. Yeah, of course our initial target is this level, but we need to be keen as price plays out, guys. We understand and we follow along, you know. All right. Okay, so that happened. All right, so right now we see that price is trying to do his thing. So we just need to continue evolving. So I'll do this. I'll remove these and these. You understand? Maybe remove this and continue understanding this type of a play. Okay, so we need to make sure we have probably something like that. Okay, so maybe, okay, 1 2 3. So when I look at this pattern, guys, when I look at this pattern, just telling me, okay, this is a kind of a pattern that market might be reversing. Okay, so let's see if it goes back, then now that might be a confirmation that it might reverse. So I will probably wait for, because I'm seeing kind of the market might want to give me a reversal right here, maybe a head and shoulder, something like this, before it drops. You see, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So I might not even just might, basically I should close this position right now, because of course we understand that, okay, you see price doing that. All right, so right now price took out the left shoulder, and of course that doesn't mean we won't get another reversal. This is a double top right here. Boom and boom. Okay, so now I've taken out my position. Basically, the moment the price went up, I took out my position somewhere around that level, because now price is giving me something like a reversal, which I don't like. So that's also another win. So if price takes out this low, probably we might look for sell position. You understand? You understand? Let's see. Maybe target this low. Let's see. Come on, break it. Break it. Not yet break. Never broke. So we continue evolving. So maybe we remove this. Like I said before, remember our 3 touches. So now I understand the reason why price never broke is because it never gave us the 3rd touch. You understand? So this is the first touch, second touch, and now probably the market's going up to give us a 3rd touch. That is when it might drop. Okay, because already at the support we see we had 3rd touch. So let's see. The market did that. Come on. All right. That's it. So you see that, oh, price gave me a lower low, continuation pattern, and break. So let's see if we had that clearly at the 15. All right, now that is amazing. That is amazing. I've seen something that if we were at the 15, we could have reacted to that. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. You understand? So like I said before, if this is a lower low right here, then our price has given us a lower high, so we expect that drop. So what we are supposed to do is this. Maybe follow along, something like this, you know, something like this. And if we get a reversal, that is when we execute. And let's see. Okay, so if we see probably this is a double top, let's see if it takes this low. Okay, we were supposed to do this, and that is when we go back to the H1, something like this. Now there's something, guys, remember where our trend line started. That is where we should make sure that we target this level right here, because that is where our trend started. Okay, likewise, remember our trend started from this level. That is why I did, if you remember, that is why I did a target this level right here. So you see it's making sense. You understand? It's making sense. You see this level, so that was hit. So This is the reason why also we should target that level, because our trend line started from that level. Remember the 90% rule, but that's like 100% sale. So let's see what the market did. Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing. So you guys, I hope you guys did understand that short video. Please, you understand. So anytime you draw a trend line and maybe you're looking for a target, make sure that you target where you started drawing your trend line. Okay, I hope you guys learned that, and that was quite amazing. And check out my Telegram channel, link in the description below. And adios, mi amigos. Peace.